a shadow, feeling better when it turned out fine. So won't you fly with me? Oh yeah, gotta fly with me now. Now the past has come alive and given meaning and a reason to give all I can, to believe once again. If it's you and me forever, if it's you and me right now, that'd be alright, be alright. Chase the stars to lose the shadow, feeling better when it turned out fine. So won't you fly with me? Maybe you were just afraid, knowing you were miles away from the place where you needed to be. And that's right here with me. You and me forever, you and me right now, I'd be alright. We chase the stars to lose the shadow.